100 miles an hour, northbound.
Kilo 93 Lima, India.
10-4, I copy. Kilo 93, Kilo Lima.
Alpha Mike 93 Lima, India.
10-4.
Alright, passing 7th Street, so northbound.
10-4, passing 7th Street, northbound. Blackmail, unknown babies and messages.
Spring, stand by, possible U-turn, or not, he's not going forth. Alright, he's not there's no traffic coming up to him. Alright, he's making a U-turn, he corrected himself. Southbound.
10-4, back southbound.
I'm trying, I don't got enough power to do that. It's going away from me again. It's a black belt in the hood. Alright, going back to 7th Street. Gonna run the intersection here, no traffic.
10-4, running intersection at 7th Street. P10-3 out of the city. 10-4.
Alright, back southbound, passing
10-4, southbound, passing 14.
Where's my closest unit here?
15, 10-08, air approaching for 40. Second and calling someone.
Alright, southbound, northbound lanes, there's no traffic in front of him.
10-4, southbound, northbound lanes, no traffic.
Southbound past one vehicle.
10-4, approaching Cherry Road.
Anyway, what's the vehicle description?
We like color Chevy.
It's on eastbound on 28th Street. Eastbound on 28th Street.
10-4, eastbound 28th Street.
Try to put him here.
10-4, something fit.
He's moving to the greenway.
10-4, pulled in the freeway.
Back out of the greenway. Going onto Almond Road, heading towards baseline.
10-4, Almond Road, pushing baseline. Have the units on baseline, get up to 6 out. 6-15. 26, I'm going to attempt to set up 6 at Almond and baseline.
Westbound Almond coming up to baseline.
Westbound Almond, coming up to baseline.
Northbound on baseline.
Westbound baseline.
Eastbound on Bank 5.
10-4, eastbound Banyan Drive. 10-4, no traffic.
Light. Left turn on common course. Gonna turn right on Marion Pass.
Left turn on Almond, right on Marion.
Marion, baseline. South Florida to mailbox. Stand by. I'm gonna do it.
70 good.
I don't got enough power. I could get fit all Marion Road towards baseline.
10-4, Marion Road towards baseline.
Coming through the intersection of 28th Street. Westbound 28th Street.
10-4, westbound 28th Street.
Westbound, yeah. Sorry, you want to call it?
10-4. We're still westbound.
10-4, still westbound.
No traffic. Speeds are about 90.
No traffic, about 90.
Coming through the post now.
Coming to curve. 6794, set up stick. 6794. 64, 69, channel 1. Can you start exportation?
10-4. Coming up to 36 now. Kilo's trying to fit.
10-4, something pit, 36 hours.
7-4. Set up a 6.
10-4, across street.
He drove out of it. Still coming towards 36 out. Passing the plant right now.
10-4, past the fan, pushing 36 out.
Get it on the stick, stand by for a bailout here in the neighborhood.
Get it on stick.
Turning northbound, southeast 40th Ave.
10-4, northbound, southeast.
Left
45.
3rd Street, pulling into a house.
10-4, pulling to the house. Station 1033.
Through fence, stand by.
10-4, 4 through 10. 10-4, pulling to the house. Station 1033.
Through fence, stand by.
Hey! Here! Foos! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! Here, Jet, here! Park on that man, buddy! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! You're gonna get dog bit! Jet, here! Park on that man, buddy! Get on the ground now! I'll shoot you, dude! I'll shoot you! Get on the ground now!
Oh, please.
Don't move!
I got it.
Don't move!
I'm not moving.
Let me see your hand now. Roll over.
Please, he's hurting me. He's killing me. He's killing me, please. I'm stopping, please. Ah!
Yeah, hold on.
Put both your hands behind your back.
Watch the dog first. I got you.
Get him on.
Hold on, let go of your hands. All right.
Ah! Please! My life was threatened. Please! Sir!
I thought I was gonna give you my flashlight. I thought I dropped it back there.
I was at the fucking gas station and I had my chain on. Somebody tried to rob me.
All right.
Please! You gotta fucking believe me. I'm scared for my life, dude. Please!
All right.
I don't even have nothing on me.
I got you.
I ran. I got into a shock statement. Please,
Okay. All right.
please.
All right. Before we ask you anything, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and help you stand up real quick, all right? And then I'm gonna pat you down for any wet. You got anything on you?
Sir, sir, please, you gotta believe me.
Yeah.
You gotta fucking believe me.
No, I don't.
What the fuck do I do about this?
Right. Hold on, guys. Whoa. Hold on. Do your thing, good. All right.
Sir, what the fuck do I do about this? I know I ran and shit and I just violated. But sir, you don't, I'm in a state of panic right now. I was just at the gas station getting drinks. And some fucking two black guys, they came from behind the shit, and they were like, hey. And I get in my car and I ran.
Alright, face the car.
I swear on everything.
Okay.
Please, sir.
I got you.
I know it's bad how it looks.
I got you.
Please, sir.
I got
Look,
you.
I'm not running,
Face the
sir.
car.
My
I got
leg.
you.
Alright,
Please,
hey,
face the car.
so I don't pass
face the
out.
car. I don't want you facing me.
Please, so I don't pass out.
Well, we're gonna have medics come. All right. I just don't want you facing me.
Can you lay me down? Please.
You want to?
Yes.
Sit down? Yeah.
My leg.
You're good. Thank you.
Please, take my pants off, please. Please.
Take your pants. You got shorts on underneath?
Yes, please. Please, sir.
All right. Hey. All right. All right.
Please.
Put
I
your
don't
feet down. You don't need to be
understand.
kicking my car.
I just almost got robbed. I didn't know what the fuck was going on till the lights happened. And then I was like, fuck.
Okay.
And then I was like, what the fuck is going on, dude? I thought they were
got
trying to chase me or something. Y'all can check my car. I don't got shit on me.
I got you. We just gotta make sure. All right.
Ah. Please. Ah. I'm sorry, dude.
Do you just want to sit down for now, or you want to?
I'm panicking.
Because I don't want you to pass out on me. And
I feel the blood rushing in and out of my leg. Just hold me.
Okay.
Hold me, please, and like let me
all
move.
right, give me a sec. Can you hold
Please,
this? for-
hold me. Hold me. I'm not going nowhere. The dog just bit the fuck out of my leg.
got
Even
you.
if I do, you're gonna tackle me right to the ground.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.